welcome back to my channel. It's Stephanie from Magnesium Media. I'm here at Barrett-Jackson, and I'm with TJ from Iconic Build out of Canada. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. Okay, so we are here in front of this, literally my dream truck. I need this like I need air. And TJ, can you please tell us a little bit about this?
Yeah, so it's a 1972 K5 Blazer. It's fully Restomod and built from the ground up.
So when somebody orders this, they get to pick everything basically, right?
We generally spec them all out.
Okay.
So we take charge of the build. That way we can kind of control what we like and then sell it from there. So,
okay. Yeah. What's the craziest thing you've had somebody ask for?
That's just it. We spec everything, so we don't really.
You haven't had any weird not really, requests, no, like, hey, can you do this? Or...
I used to build everything, so that's kind of what I actually get away from. Is I want to build stuff that I like and stuff that I think people will like.
Okay, so. Well, you got my vote because I love this. This is, oh my god,
perfect color combo too.
It is. It really is. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Here, look inside.
Oh yeah.
Shush. Look inside. Now you said the turnaround time is about 4 months.
Usually, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what's your really busy time?
We're busy all year long.
Yeah.
This. Yeah, we really are.
That's fantastic.
There's a lot of hours that go in there. Like this one here is 2,600 hours we have in this.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
And this over here.
This is what's under here.
So this is our next build. This is a Roadster Shop chassis. We joined up with them. And it's actually getting a brand new body, so it won't be using any of the old parts.
Okay.
It'll still come with a 70s VIN, but it'll be a whole new body.
And how long have you guys been in business?
We started this company about 1.5 years ago.
Okay.
Now, people want to know. Donor cars. You guys supply cars?
We supply everything, yeah. We pick up donors all over the place, so yeah. We like to have start to finish control of it.
And you just do Blazers?
Just Blazers, yeah. Yeah.
So now, do you want to tell us a little bit about this truck completely, like motor?
Yeah, so it's a LT4, like a new Corvette motor. There's 650 horse. It's got an 8-speed tranny with an Atlas transfer case. This everything's really clean, tidy.
Oh my god, it's spotless.
It is. So you know how like most people get excited about supercars, hypercars. This is what does it for me. This right here.
I mean, everything about this. What's something that you guys do on yours that other people do?
Well, like even things like the power steps, we just make sure that everything's really tight and clean. Like when you walk up to that, you don't really know it has it. And if you see the underside, like everything's just perfect. So, that's just the hidden fuel door.
That's great.
Thank you.
I missed the hidden.
There's so much space in the back seat.
Yeah, they're nice because you can take the whole family. Where if you get a pickup truck, you can only, you're confined to that.
Yeah, exactly.
You guys gonna do removal top too?
Yeah, we will. We'll do a top, but like you can take this one off. They're obviously pretty heavy, but
yeah, of course. You wanna hop in and show them around?
Well, are we allowed to do
yeah,
that?
absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah. The flush screen, so that we just kind of like there's no buttons, there's no mess really.
So you can connect all your Bluetooth and everything to it.
CarPlay and all that stuff.
So you basically get the best of both worlds. You got old school looks and then new technology.
Yeah.
And you got a vent motor.
Yeah, lots of power.
Look at how much space. Hold on. I can get. Look how huge.
And which is, you know what? I mean, look, the original ones are going up in price. You see what the auction values are. So it's like, yeah, those are great, but you really don't want to drive them every day. This is something you can drive every day.
You could, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You could daily it, yeah. This is a new thing we added on this one is the center console shifter. And it's got the tap, so you could tap through 8 speeds.
Okay.
I'm telling you right now, I'm a future customer.
Perfect.
Because I gotta have one. Like, I have to have one. Oh, my God, I love it.
And price, you want to tell, like, something like this, what's it go for?
This one's going for $349.
Okay, $349, and within 4 months, you can have one.
Yeah, yeah. There's a bit of a waiting list right now, but
understandable.
Yeah, understandable. I mean, it's a great build. I've seen a lot of builds. This is one of the nicer builds.
Absolutely.
I really appreciate that.
Oh my God.
Maybe because it's Canadian.
That is it.
Maybe.
Hold on. Go ahead.
Okay.
So what do you think?
Love it. I have to have one. Hey guys, Christmas is coming. If you want to get me a gift, contact TJ here.
I got it.
Or if you want to get yourself a gift.
Yeah,
There
if you
you
want
go.
to get yourself a gift.
All right. Hold on.
Oh my gosh.